right, because that's going to set up for 2 red tsunamis back to back. And I know that many of you out there trying to save money in so many different parts of your life. How about cell phone service? Do you know if you're with Verizon Wireless, AT&T, and T-Mobile, in addition to paying far too much, you're also relying on a company that supports leftist causes in one way, shape, or another? Don't give your money to these woke wireless companies. How about go to Pure Talk? The company believes in family values. They believe in giving you great service at a low cost, like unlimited talk, text, plenty of data for just $30 a month. The average family will save almost $1,000 a year. Their service on the same network as one of the others gives you the exact same coverage. Only difference is you get a much lower bill. Switching is easy. You can keep your phone and your same phone number. Why not give Pure Talk a try? You can save $1,000 a year and you'll get 50% off your first month. Here's how you do it. Dial pound 250, say Clay and Buck. Again, pound 250, say Clay and Buck. Make the switch to Pure Talk today. Pound 250.
Clay Travis and Buck Sexton on the front lines of truth. As you crunch the numbers trying to get the most out of your dollar, we'll throw in a $1,000 inflation bonus. Much better. Listen every hour from 9 a.m. through 5 p.m. weekdays for your chance to win $1,000.
AM 1150, The Patriot has your chance to win $1,000 an hour.
Just enter this nationwide keyword on our website. Check. That's check. Enter it now.
Good luck from
podcast last week. He's one of the most accurate pollsters across multiple election cycles. He's with the Trafalgar. We had him on a podcast just on Friday. This guy has been spot on the last few cycles. He's like, here's the problem with polling. You're exactly right. Republicans can't stand pollsters. Trump supporters really can't stand pollsters. They're like, pollsters? Satan, Lucifer? Pollsters? I'm telling you, they just can't stand them. And he said, combine that with the fact that polls are too long now, people just hang up. And this is why you get these really distorted results in favor of Democrats. So what Haley does is he keeps his polls really short, and he asks a really valuable question. And the question is not how you would vote, but how your neighbor would vote. Because even if you hate Donald Trump, right, but you vote for him because you don't like his tweets, but you love his policies, and you won't admit it on the phone, if your neighbor feels that way, that kind of, social taboo against saying you're a Trump supporter disappears because you're talking about your neighbor. So he's nailed it. So I don't believe the polls. I don't believe the polls because, people talk to me, and I talk to pollsters, and there's a reason polls have been really, really off. Now, some of these polls have these races close. Some of them really close. Some of them I don't believe are close. I mean, they were talking about Val Demings, Marco Rubio down in Florida being close. Folks, you got to vote again, get out. It's game day, execute, perfection matters today, right? Everybody get out, knock on wood. Don't want to get out ahead of my skis, but I don't see Val Demings coming within 5 points of that race. A lot of these races are saying are close. I don't think they're close. I'm going to leave out which ones because I don't want to dissuade people from voting. But this one governor's race specifically, I think we're walking away with, and pollsters are like, this one's going to be tight. I don't think so. So were the polls systematically wrong? Here's what Nate Silver has to say. He said it's partly because the whole ball game, at least when it comes to which party controls the Senate, is polls. If Republicans beat their polling averages by, say, 3 percentage points across the board, it is very unlikely for the Dems to salvage the Senate, even if there is some state-to-state variation. You're darn right. I think Republicans are going to beat their polling averages by more than that. I believe it's highly unlikely.